Hey, what else could you ask for?
Where's Kevin? There she is.
What is going on YouTube? Today we are going to get maximum turbo flutter out of this boosted D16 Y8. You good?
Yeah.
So when you want maximum turbo flutter, everyone thinks, oh, what kind of blow off valve you got? No blow off valve. You want the air to surge back through the turbo, and that what does the so we get the blow off valve blocked off with a blocker plate, and then off the turbo all we have, you can zoom in there, it's just a 8-inch piece of pipe, and that goes all the way in and touches the housing. So you got no like air gap or nothing. That pipe goes all the way in and touches the turbo. So yeah, we're going to take it for a test drive and get some choo-choos for you.
But get fucked. It'll come around.
What's that idle, right? That VTEC lock chop.
I was not expecting that.
It's loud.
Wow.
It's loud, eh?
I wasn't expecting that at all. Dude, that's insane.
Sounds sick, eh?
One little 8-inch piece of pipe.
It's so sick, eh?
Dope. Dude, that's crazy.
Let her have it! Alright guys, I'm out of the car here. We're going to try to get it's a little breezy. Buddy is on her and he doesn't have to be. I told Mister he's only gonna rev it about $4,000 to get the full flutter. He is on the fucking chip. Hope he does a calmer one here. Oh, he's heavy on the brakes. Heavy on the brakes. The fucking guy's just fucking shredding my tires. They're brand new tires in that sucker. Oh, fuck. Not to mention it's like 30 degrees out today. Thing's probably borderline overheating. Sounds so good. Holy fuck.
Oh, it sounds so good. I just been hot lapping the shit out of it.
Oh, I seen that.
Crazy.
Oh, fuck.
Can we lodge?
Yeah, go ahead.
Your brakes are cooked.
I can smell that. Oh, God. Holy.
God damn, this thing's a ripper.
Mister did fucking probably 10 laps back and forth, park lot. Everybody there's probably like,
boiling.
Oh, it's got to be hot as fuck. Yeah, it's a good opportunity to pull. Well, just keep driving to go for a little bit anyway. Get away from the zone you were just fucking doing pulls in constantly.
All cool everywhere.
What do you think?
This thing's a fucking shredder. Whatever that 6 inches of pipe does, science, crazy. It's like a magnaphone here.
I'm gonna have to do like a before and after.
Yeah, for sure. I don't know how the video sounds, but it sounds crazy in the car.
In person, loud.
Crazy. Let's have a look.
Probably overheating. Hopefully there's not a cop parked in that little fucking hollow. Round 2.
brakes are cooked.
I can't smell that. Oh god.
I think she's gonna be absolutely fine.
No, not bad. Last time I did that big burnout, you guys seen this thing was here was bubbling over.
D16Y8 baby. You got an oil leak somewhere?
I got everything.
Yeah, I don't know what this does scientifically wise. It's just like a
Like I said, that also comes in and touches the housing. Like there's no gap there. That pipe slides in till it hits.
yeah, they really do got
So
no
she's
rope,
like,
right?
yeah, no, it's tight. She's tight under there.
Try to think of a video idea to make it like in the car, like the old Tercel days. But
There's no like
I don't think
you couldn't do it.
hard 90 up here and like, through the
Yeah,
hood, down the roof.
it'd be a mess. Take the hood off, maybe.
Yeah, that was sick. Keep it tuned, like, subscribe.
Brother.